Oh man.
I know, but all you have to do is put your hands where the rope is, so you can get some oxygen. Oh,
Pretty freaking crazy, man.
So, and I would drag you out. My point is, those are terrible analogies, but my point is, these two fools.
Yo!
Were like
Awesome! Invasive snakehead. Welcome back to another one. Had some crazy things happen. We had a flood here come through, and I went out the next day and found a snakehead in like less than an inch of water, still alive. You know, a couple hundred yards from the river. So I decided to put them back. They're you know, they're everywhere at this point. Catch and releases. You're not stopping them. So here's a couple of videos of me hunting ducks with the Apollo. We got a few. We got some geese. Had a great time. More to come. We also had a flats video we threw in this video because figured I might as well lump all the duck hunting videos together. So we did some flats hunting down there in Susquehanna, and there's a goose we got. Oh! Gotta give him the old moan. Forgot my calls, so I was just messing around. This is pretty embarrassing. I walked up on another hunter's spread thinking it was
my bad, dude. Come on. Come on, you.
This is pretty strange here. I was sneaking up to go shoot some ducks and saw a pheasant. But in between, all these ducks jumped up and scared me, so I took the black duck and got pheasants. So it was pretty fun. How many pheasants were together over in this little area next to these black ducks? It was really weird.
No, I think we're okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm genuinely curious, and I think I'm worried about your career. Well, they're good.
Holy shit.
I don't need a Hollywood career, you know.
Wow, here.
But definitely, I worry about like my career of like.
Come up, come up. Come on.
That's a scary.
I missed. Tried to kick them up, and then I missed every shot when they'd fly.
Hold. Here. Here. I was like, screw the pheasants.
No matter where.
Holy crap, I've never had that happen.
Because it's all kinds of people. Like, there'll be like an old lady and, you know, young college kids.
Beautiful. Blackie, leave them.
That's amazing. I'm
Leave them. Leave. Over here. Over.
Jason,
sit.
Sachs and Free Burger Freiberg.
Sit.
And we got a problem. What's up, Slim? And I'm like, oh, that's. Yeah, they turn around. Yeah. Then we're running. Yeah. And we don't even know, me and we don't even know who they're talking about. But we're both gonna run just in case, you know? Yeah. I don't, you know, can I be honest with you, man? Yeah, man. You don't have a racing bone in your body, huh? But these two guys would not run back from me in a war. I feel like if you were in an Iowa in a
Yo!
war, like
Awesome! Invasive snakehead. Creek, and she's still alive, boys. Yo!
Right, and they're going to Amazon versus the Eskimos.
That is incredible, Polly. Invasive snakes. Yo, this is crazy.
Icy environment, dude.
What an awesome
like
day.
Amazon versus like two Amazon truck drivers or something. Yeah, dude.
Invasive snakes in Screw Creek.
I mean, that could be a good war. Yeah.
That is crazy.
Oh yeah. Right. My legs are gone.
These people were, if they've been ill, if they've been in a hospital, if they've been going through like a family thing. I don't remember how long ago Andrew
just sitting in a puddle
I think
here.
it was just a few days ago. Yeah, that's what he told me.
You might think I'm mean,
and he goes,
but I'm
Theo
gonna go put them back in the water.
That's why.
I mean, they're already here. I like catching them.
Don't cry, brother. You know, brother.
Freaking crazy.
Don't cry.
That really hit me because I was laying on the stage.
Freaking 30 black ducks all on the side of the creek. I sneak up on pheasants. I try to get them to pop up, and the black ducks all jump up. So I decide I'd rather black duck than pheasants, and I still got the pheasants too. But now an invasive snake. So weird. But I hope you turn into a dragon, boy, so I can catch you on a top water spook. I feel like a fish just bit my ass, dude. Out of the fog.
And then you and Jordan did it once or twice in a little bit.
Yeah, that was during like
Monday, and I was like, yo, we're gonna be light this week. Yo, we're gonna be light this week.
Shoot it. I thought you all were gonna shoot.
I didn't see that. I'm looking at those ducks. Shit. Will shot.
Ready? Shoot him. Got him! Who wants him? That's Bluebill there, boy. Right? Bluebill? It's coming back. Got him. Yo, what is happening with that duck? Kill that now. I did not want to shoot over Matt. Matt, shoot him. Got him. I'll go get him. Should we wait for the... I got a few. His wiener is well, yeah, not that wet at all. Dude, you have a huge freaking shot. Hell. Come on, lick it. Just a little lick, dude. It's perfectly fine. What's the matter, dude? What's the matter, man?
That's what happens when you get shot.
What's the matter, dude?
I'm fucking Chris saying that's a tapeworm.
Tapeworm, dude. Let's on it.
Look at that. Mark. Mark. Sit. Mark. Pow. Hold here. Here. Come. Come on. Come on, go pee over here. Come on. Bring him up. Come on. Hold. Hand. There you go, boy. We got a free decoy for us. We're about to get another one. Good boy. Hit him. Hold him. Hold him. Come up. Over. Over. Back. 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 No. Back. Back. Hold him. Here. Come. Here. Hold. Here. Hold. 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 Good boy. Go on there too. Sit. Sit. Get him. Hold. Hold him. Hold him. No. Hold. Here. Hold. Here. Hand. Hand. Good boy. Sit. Sit down. Good dog. Sit. 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 Pretty funny. I snuck up on some mallards, and black ducks were right next to me. I missed all the mallards. Right here on the left, they pop up.
Sit.
If you made it this far, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. New videos out next week. Thanks for watching. Nothing like coming right back to the spread and finding the ducks are in there, but the sun's blinding you, so you can't see where they are. That's the way it is.